You will think you're at Panera Bread when you eat this broccoli cheddar soup. It is quite easy to make. You just want to make sure all of your ingredients are prepped and measured in advance, because once you get going, this recipe comes together super quickly. All right, so the first thing you do is you go ahead and heat up some onion and butter, salt and pepper. Let that cook down a few minutes, then add in your garlic. Then whisk in some flour, and once that's combined, you're going to whisk in some milk and some vegetable or chicken stock. This is the base of your soup, and then it's time to add in your really freshly grated carrots, some Dijon mustard, and broccoli florets. So all those veggies cook right in the soup. You just want to bring that up to a boil. And once that's ready, it's going to need to be turned down to a simmer, like medium-low. You add in your yummy cheddar cheese, you stir it, let that melt all in there, and then you are ready to serve this delicious homemade cheddar broccoli soup. Print out the recipe for this at Sip by Go, and I will be back with more tasty recipes soon. Bye!